Extra, extra. A kid on a corner is yelling headlines, ink is still wet, and the deadline was 10 minutes ago. Read all about it. Here are 8 idioms from the newspaper. Number 1, hot off the press. The presses roll, and the first copies come out literally warm. Hot off the press means the very newest news, so fresh the ink still smudges. Number 2, read between the lines. The words say one thing, the spaces say another. Reading between the lines means finding the meaning nobody dared to print. Number 3, bury the lead. Paragraph 1, the weather. Paragraph 9, the mayor is a raccoon. Burying the lead means hiding the most important fact under a pile of lesser ones. Number 4, front page news. Some stories go on page 12 next to the crossword. Some stories are the paper. Front page news means too big for anyone to ignore. Number 5, yesterday's news. Nothing ages faster than a newspaper. Today it is headlines, tomorrow it wraps fish. Yesterday's news means officially no longer interesting. Number 6, a puff piece. 12 paragraphs about the senator's beautiful dog. 0 questions asked. A puff piece is flattery wearing a press badge. Number 7, stop the presses. The one phrase with the power to halt the machines mid-roar. Stop the presses means everything changes. Right now, hold everything. Number 8, off the record. The notebook closes. The pen goes down. Now they start talking. Off the record means said to you but never officially said at all. And that is 8 idioms from the newsroom. This video is hot off the press. Tomorrow it wraps fish. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.